continent right now. MS Live with your boy Mac Moulton. This is the show that we have insightful conversation with your favorite artists pertaining to show business. You can follow us on every single platform, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. Today on the show, we are doing something new. We have one of the biggest artists making waves in GH right now, and his song stands for clarity. It's a testament to itself. It talks about the hustle, talks about the bustle. And I have my brother, Kenneth, in the building. YGA.
Nice for having me, though.
Kofi Yesu, Akwaba.
Bibi
Aboko me fie nipa straight out of America.
For
me the Kofi Street Charlie.
Yeah, for sure.
Waba ne ya so mu. Charlie, they tough for my mom. Yo, bro. Yeah. We project now dropping a crazy project.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, they call back Accra.
Yeah.
YGA no, me usa for any jump.
Yeah.
Where did you get it from?
Oh, YGA started from school time.
Okay.
And Tina's metro raps me. And YGA nearby, which is you have to get to assist.
Okay.
As a name, me rap around that time. Can I name me Dean basically? Name Dean I'm to me also.
Okay.
So through, I think so. Me reference me go back to me old raps. And I'm say, oh, can be say yo.
Okay.
And around that time, so now I was giving them back to back like that. I was keeping up. Because reference them was okay, makes sense. Let me just like attach this to my name. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's like, this was like around 2016.
Okay.
Yeah. The first time I actually wrote a YGA attached to my verse and stuff. So, yeah.
YGA, wow. Very meaningful. Many John Kasa.
Yeah, thank you.
And I'm say senior high school quarter.
Yeah.
Last time Mario G, but I know so on the code.
Yeah, when Mario G, Mario G was him senior basically.
Okay. No, so no entertainment prefect to school.
No, I can say school prefect. Only entertainment prefect.
School prefect
prefect.
Wow. They say we make waves on one.
Exciting. The other time I think it's Shia. It was really exciting.
Okay.
As I having to share our experiences and throw it as a throwbacks. I mean, it was all fun and love.
Yeah. I recall year 2020 time now COVID this year.
Yeah.
I recall I was in Kumasi then. That time I was in Kumasi. And the Kumerica movement, the drill, Asaka, like it was making waves. Now your culture, it's not just about the music, even how you dress, say, near Bantamani at 2D, Swamini at 2D, baby at 2D. It was crazy time.
Yeah.
Crazy time. And actually, you who said like collectively, my drop a bangers, yeah, sorry, massive tune. Personally, that moment now waves in the bio.
Yeah.
Start being now feeling as an artist.
It was overwhelming having to, work that much and go for recognize it. It feels like your seeds really turned into fruition. And as a bed fruition, So it was exciting, it was overwhelming. And said I'm getting used to it because like then they the doors.
Yeah, for real. Meaning great one. Emma Unyan be creating me storms in the other
Yeah.
Crazy one. Just a course to be brave. One thing Emma Grammys and so almost recognize it general. Ghanaian drill. America Grammy no. At that moment I'm say Charlie, the hard work has paid off. You are not just representing Kumerica, or you are not just representing Kumasi, by Ghana as a whole, and taking the music to taking beyond Ghana. How was the feeling like for you guys?
It was crazy. Like I said, as a YBB for a low minute and go for who was almost celebrating. It felt like I said what do you BB making sense as a engineer. So it was crazy, like I said.
Great.
Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah.
Meaning say as I kind of started.
Yeah.
We are one of the few people are now collective in a now man for any how we hear music, anyhow I approach music, A man for any the way,
Yeah.
Any idea? Only me are Regina more some strong chemistry. I'm not dropping your man. Yeah, very, very crazy.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, be straight out of America. Yeah, be this our project.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm perceiving mistake now dropping. First mistake I'll drop in here 2021, right?
Yeah.
Until it's said and done.
Yeah. But before until it's said and done, not many reject kind of effects. You do something which is you drop a compilation together.
Okay.
Then the first ever tape I'm drop it.
Yeah. Okay.
Make us a first ever tape. I had another tape, but it didn't really come to light like that.
Okay.
It's SOK one name, first ever tape.
I'll drop it.
Like in Kofung we say, yo, YG, you're onto something.
Okay.
After SOK one, I'm about until it's said and done. After until it's said and done, I'm about SOK two.
Okay.
After SOK two, I'm about Pain and Glory.
Pain and Glory. And then I only your brother, yeah.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. After that, too, we didn't so already.
Okay.
I'm on.
But I want us to talk about Until It's Said and Done.
Okay, okay.
Why that title? And then make some mistake, very.
It resonated with my spirit. It resonated with my spirit. Talking about the title.
Okay.
And with Until It's Said and Done, I actually didn't. It wasn't like I had a concept I was working around with. It was a mix of concepts all compiled together, like that. So, but Until It's Said and Done, I was young. I was experimenting, and I was fresh. So, I think that was the idea to kind of prove myself, So that's like what my first mixtape stands for, basically.
Okay. But him said now only Empire, so I have some deal be.
Yeah.
How did it go? You worked with them for how many years?
We did a distribution deal and worked for like 2-3 years.
2-3 years.
And we called it.
Okay.
We called it a day. We just like went our separate ways.
Okay. So right now, are you under any new record label?
Yeah, I mean, I'm mostly working with distributors. So yeah, now I'm working with United Masters, and we are doing good. So far, so good. Yeah.
Very well. Send me can earlier on. When Reggie Moore, very good chemistry. Let's talk about Straight Out of America. One. Now, more bringing out that project. How did the idea come about?
I would say we were destined to prove ourselves. Not destined, we were eager to prove ourselves, sorry. Having to be a young artist and being passionate. It was only right for us to come together. Because like him, rappers. And I've known Reggie for like 2-3 years before we did the tape. So we did the tape in 2020, and I've met Reggie like 2 years back. So it was only right for us to do a compilation because we were all in the same house together. We were recording, going back and forth like that. So it was only right for us to kind of sit everything down. We are artists, yes. Let's put something together and make it sense.
Okay. Yeah, dope one. And I'm dropping one, so I drop it too.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And let's talk a little bit about Pain and Glory. Meaning, said more the song by Anna, Very Lonely. It was a dope song. How did it come about with that song?
I mean, around that time, I really wanted something different out of what I was used to, and I would say I was in the low state of my mind state wasn't
up there
like that. So I wanted to, kind of put my experiences into thoughts and create what I was feeling, like create something out of it, basically.
Oh, okay.
And me embarking on that journey, I think I met Xlimkid along the way, and we had a chemistry, and it felt right for us to, kind of drop a compilation together, do our thing. And I think after we recording, mastering, and doing everything around the tape, I mean, people received it really well. It was doing great, trust me. Yeah.
Wow. Dope one. Yeah. Lonely Road, one of the dopest tune, Charlie. Everybody loved it. A lot of people can relate to that song.
Yeah. I wanted to connect to people like that. I mean, once you go through emotions each and every time. So, it felt like it was only right for us to do, songs for these type of emotions, because we go through stuff, so it was only right for us to do that.
Okay. Ain't Kenneth, person busa baby. What's not swami kakra, what's not macro kakra. Style ben a shape or personality ni how we approach your music.
I think the pressure and setbacks, it's shaping me because like my mentality to kind of overcome these things, because like baby the free, you don't get pampered. You have to really go through it like that. So all these hardships kind of shaped me into me being the man I am now, kind of. Yeah.
But per se about me himself obey show Kumase.
Yeah.
We are going to talk about the show.
Yeah.
But there's one thing that most of the artists and as from Kumase, I'm making a huge should I say so I'm give you back to the society and I say meaning the course because I'm making it bigger, what's the reason behind that? Meaning say so what I say Kumase, I don't really know.
I'm still in Kumasi, but baby,
okay. So I don't think a majority of them, no, I'm making waves and I'm making name now. No man move Accra. What's the reason? Because one down for
All the productions, you know, don't want to say a lot of activities, baby, na to kind of, you know, get it easier, no. Uba has say na, Nyoma is really easy.
Okay.
Until you can't really blame them, like, Bibia or her, that's it.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
That's what I say.
Can't really blame them.
And I have a capital. So.
Exactly. So.
Yeah. So you need to come here and promote and do everything here. So it makes sense. Material, what can I say? And when say last 2 years, more on the radar. It's one of the biggest platform artists also. And quite exhibit or more projects and more. You happen to be part of the collective of Asaka Mukoya on the platform. How was the experience like? And were you guys able to get that exposure?
Yeah. People from different regions kind of tapped in. I mean, with regards to, I mean, the freestyle we went to do over there, people enjoyed what we did. I'm not gonna lie, not only Ghanaians, a lot of, like I said, a lot of people from several regions were tapping in. They liked it, for sure. Okay. It was amazing. It was an amazing experience, you know, having to be a Ghanaian and doing your thing over there. Come on.
Okay.
Amazing.
By Kenneth, person Busa BB. Meaning, say, send I can earlier on, Grammys I recognize say Ghanaian drill. But it seems we are too fixated on Afrobeats. Afrobeat, I know say heavily, the focus is on Nigeria. But in African countries, in Afrobeats. One time person Busa say, do you feel say Ghanaians we are not taking advantage of slots now say Jenna no man name to be part of Grammys? Do you feel like we are not taking advantage of it because there is Ghanaian drill?
I wouldn't say because it's not only Ghanaian drill in the list. There's like a lot of genres because we had, I think they had High Life on it. A rhythm you have to beat it, you know. So if you are not really liking it that much, you don't have to force yourself.
Okay.
If you don't connect to it that much, you don't have to force yourself. So I would say, did that with a few, I mean, attached to it, you know. It's all good. It's all good. We don't have to, you know,
force it,
overdo things, and you have to connect with things you like. You don't have to. You don't have to overdo stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, because you feel, and then the amount direction. No. You have to do you.
Yeah, be you. Just do you. Yeah. That's very important. And then the crane no account.
Yeah.
And I glitch Africans, so more say or no.
Yeah. I've been on glitch. We've been on glitch like twice.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the first one was us performing Obahema and Oma Linda.
Yeah.
And the next one was me going over there with Slim. It was amazing. I mean, wonderful experience.
Okay. Sure. So how was the experience being in Nigeria? And how did they receive Ghanaian music?
No, I think they came over to shoot it over here. Yeah.
Okay.
So we shot the two over here.
Okay. But have you happened to go to Nigeria too?
Yeah, I went to Nigeria for one or two things.
Okay.
But I didn't go there for glitch.
Okay. Yeah. So how was the reception? How do they receive your music?
It was healthy. I have a couple folks over there, so you know, they are kind of tapped in with what we are on. But it's not so much. But I mean, we have to kind of grow it. But the reception was amazing.
So as an artist, one thing I'm saying say, because Ghana has say, although ye nije yenyom ho, and we give other countries no opportunities so among your ever fly wa. But other countries are saying reception or by that huge. As an artist, no, then I run it through my because the way we play piano for you, the way we play Afrobeat for you, but if you come to this space actually, I say no, more but and heavy to say the promoting.
It's amplified reception. I thought that Ghanaians a bit though, you know, as I amplify, we have to be on about it for real though. If we are on about it. They say, Okoko there, one or two things, and you're back here. Now you have to really connect with them, connect with the artists. Get bored over there, you know. You have to really connect like that. They say, Okoko take advantage. I think it wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah, true.
We are just like missing something.
Okay.
We are not realizing.
Who feel say, I was say, Ghanaian artists, we have to be very intentional about moves making Anna.
Yeah, 100%. Because that's like how we are going to grow this. Intentional thoughts, intentional actions is going to yield results for sure.
Okay.
But if we are not, bro, Something like I thought the ASN because like Ukona Kunya 1 or 2 traction, you feel like that's all. Nah, that's like the genesis of everything. I think Ghanaians, we just have to,
You have to keep pushing. And
yeah, bro, we have to
yeah,
be.
for real. And I'm himself also support Obra Penny, Dr. Likey.
UK.
UK, O2 Indigo.
London.
Massive. Sold out.
Massive. The reception was crazy. I mean, the people enjoyed themselves so well. Yeah, I came in to do my thing. Yeah.
Wow.
Wonderful. It was.
And the reception was crazy.
Yeah, trust me, 100%. The people were singing the songs word for word.
Wow.
I'm not gonna lie.
Wow.
Beautiful experience. I mean, the comedians did their thing.
And you went to do your thing too as well.
They laughed so much. Yeah, it was amazing.
For real. But this year, the back one many agent want to say, I say, a lot of Ghanaian artists, I could the Royal Albert or sell, Kwaku Smoke and sell, Shatawale so sell, Stonewall sell. That ben you been your Kenneth show in the UK.
At this point, I can say I'm still on that process.
Okay.
Even though it feels like I'm there, but I mean, I wouldn't hype myself like that. I mean, I would want to, work more towards these things,
Okay, nice one. But me perceive TGM in on kakra.
Yeah.
Because Balenciaga was a huge song and I'm 40%. Ebe we need BB. That was TGM. But unfortunately, and we need BB.
Can't be. Trust me.
Start by the mouth, Philly, because you're very big.
I know what really goes into the game, so man, try some trick him at home.
Okay.
Because like we were a lot on the on the list talking about the category I was on,
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna sit here and say I was in my feelings.
Okay.
Yeah, it would probably hurt a little bit. I don't get to think about these things. Okay. We have a lot to attend to. Yes.
Cool. But let's talk about the remix of Balenciaga.
Yeah.
Artists, no man reach out to you.
Nah, I reached myself.
Okay.
Yeah, because like I like these artists they put on, so it wasn't like maybe I'm chasing business, I'm chasing numbers. Nah, I really like these people though. They are nice. Sacrum, big shout outs to Sacrum, big shout outs to Joey B, big shout outs to Sama, and big shout outs to Medica.
Someone see a new kid on the blog and you put him on.
Beautiful, dope artists. You should tap in.
Yeah, for real. I like that. Yeah. It's an artist, man, new artist.
That's something I've been on for a minute, so it's not new for me though. But I mean, with people, it tends to be like that.
True. For real. We are about to get into Came of Age.
Yeah.
But one Ghanaian player, Brandon Asante.
Yeah.
Or Jame Tonyom Balenciaga.
And I crazy.
How does it make you feel? Say blast out
overwhelming. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, and I make an answer. We will be. I said, okay. Well, hard work, and the niggas now recognize all hard work. It makes sense. Trust me.
For real.
Big ups to them though.
For real.
Big ups to you.
So let's get into Came of Age.
Yeah.
What's the rationale behind that project?
So it was me transitioning from the old phase to the new one. I mean, me now contributing to my journey I'm on. Having to come from hardship, having to come from a lot of precious setbacks, and now me establishing clarity, me having focus, like me being a bit comfortable.
Wow.
Yeah, that's like what Came of Age stands for.
Cool.
Transitioning.
So, transition.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're in that transition phase.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And right now, so what's the team behind this project?
The theme. It's about life.
Life, okay.
Life. Mean to me boxing any different. Like it's life, because like having to soak from track 1 to track 18, you realize why I said life, because like I really put my heart, on all these projects. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, now one thing I'm saying, what's your favorite song on the project, and how many producers did you work with?
I worked with a couple. So now big shout outs to Kwame Aga, big shout outs to DAJ, big shout outs to MK, Product Base. I've left 1 or 2, but I mean, yeah. Back to the question, how can I say? We can't big shout outs.
Now me say how many producers?
Yeah, producers, yeah. So like there 5 and more.
Producers.
And more.
Okay, and then you better your favorite also.
Soyinka.
I didn't know your favorite. What's so special about that song?
I connect to it so much because like me drop it, me I'm a life experiences on. It was so I like me keen because me having to expect a baby, me having to have a misconception around me, you know, having
Kenneth,
to.
you're expecting a baby.
I was.
Okay.
I was like yeah, something happened, but I mean yeah.
Okay.
I was, a lot of things I highlighted really. I thought, no, I thought I kind of connected to these type of situations in a more deeper level,
Okay.
So that's like why it's my favorite though. And having to be, I feel like I'm the new king of the new wave though.
Yeah,
These
real.
kids look up to me for real though.
For real,
So,
bro.
Yeah.
And I'm out for say, Charlie, oh, chini the elective chill, like
Yeah.
a deep pa.
Yeah. Says my man niggas who say, I thought that's a sharpen your pen game.
Yeah, for real.
They go crazy. Just say, who share me crazy and myself. But yeah, I have to. With my business, I have to really deep that shit. Yeah.
That means we'll take your time and now we're putting it together now.
Yeah, for sure. Because I thought I beat me back smooth. It on my was all sitting back. Now with the pen or tune. Because like aside everything, me a rapper.
Yeah, true.
My lyrics and I say my writing skills, Yeah, they are like umichin, baby. I like.
And outside
poets. Me from home show yeah, because
and I'm say manifest I'm out cool sign energy.
Yeah, big shout out to Manny. I respect OG so much because like my mom made me flowers each and every time. Yeah, I make sure my mom made flowers. Say, yo, keep doing what you're doing. You should be on the same course you're on. Don't switch for nothing.
Okay.
You be sound just and no didn't come out. So anytime you make sure OG be a big respect, big love, no show until I say.
Okay. So Trotro Bonsu, HSN.
Give her a friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you might make you wave spa, Charlie boys any John.
Yeah. I mean, Obran will be a booby in tea. Unhia Yankopon, another Unhia Yame or side, a keen. Being as when Yami between so a go in him for all though. And Yanka say we, and you non quano, and yet non quantum highlighted a lot of betrayals, a lot of disappointments.
Okay.
Because like, Namino been enam, until I say so. Need to make us say be a free me channel and so that's like what I highlighted as I mean attached to God being there for me and all that like
yeah for real dope one very 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 massive a project I'm any jump I love it
Thank you.
From anything like putting it together and I only Kweku Smoke and so I want you more so well brother I mean him said they be almost sell so let's talk about the song with Kweku Smoke sorry Kweku DMC sorry how did they come about the one with Kweku DMC
I think Far From Home was recorded like 3 years ago. DMC just like dropped his verse last year. So it talks about people being in search, leaving their familiar grounds in search of greener pastures. When you say life, they will be a pet. So they will be a baby, Jina.
True.
To be a baby movie, a free man, mention, maybe a too quiet. And just say, anyone can get na. Yet normal Nipala and I, na. So Far From Home is something I feel like people connect to because. It will be every day, also. Be a person to and also be a person greener pastures,
For real talk. Let's talk about Pain 3.
Yeah.
Amazing song.
Yeah.
Lady Nunya and friend. What's her name again?
Big shout out to Edra. I met Edra through Kwame Aga.
Okay.
One of the producers. Yeah. So I recorded Pain 3. Literally the song talks about we having to rain coming to, as in so ever to a ye drought in every kind of. See, sana a chair. Who's a from Emre, be Emre. I mean, proverbially, like utumze, is utua, maybe be a kama. See, sana and yum chair. Until I say, yeah, exactly. So, shout out to Adra.
Amazing tune. Oseo, very talented.
Thank you.
And as you said earlier on, Oma new artists an opportunity to jump on your song to do their own thing.
Yeah.
And that's very amazing.
Thank you.
Right now, should we expect deluxe of Came of Age?
Yeah. I was even thinking about that.
So when is it coming out?
I don't have a date yet. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a date yet. I'm working on it. It could be out in a month's time. Who knows?
Okay. Amazing one. And I know, say December, big announcement. Ube show Kumase.
Yeah. It's happening at Babaya Sports Stadium.
Okay.
I'm trying to fill the whole thing out. So
Charlie, 360.
Yeah, let's see.
Man, crazy.
I'll probably have 360. Yeah.
For real,
Yeah.
for real, for real. Fingers crossed, Charlie.
Yeah,
Kenneth
yeah.
episode. So right now, Came of Age is out. What should we expect from Kenneth?
I would do 1 or 2 performances in several regions, which I can't put out now. And I have like a lot of videos to give to you guys too. So,
Okay. Dope videos.
Yeah.
And our videos here are very crazy.
Yeah, sure.
Can you tell us about the creative direction when you are making
You're
your videos?
brainstorming on, like with the guys. So you're brainstorming. The idea behind your brainstorming. But crana be a film.
Okay.
Most of the times I direct and also never chip it in references.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Nice one, bro. Nice having you on the show.
Thank
Will
you.
anyone want to give shout outs to before we wrap up?
a big shout out to the fans for sticking with me through all these years. Until I say, Toda crowd me nyanyumo.
Yeah.
Toda crowd me nyahwe, but also eagerness and say you time when I ever drop it. Still there. So big shout outs to them for sticking with me.
So
Thank
before
you,
we
guys.
take a breather, Kenneth, you person my a cappella of Balenciaga. Yeah.
You baby, I told me Celine, drip to the toes, made it better. Selection way, a year straight from the foes, made it better. O de befa, matarika, fafa misika, neka se mi chimia mete, ube unse, fufro bisheme. Ba, unu se we nye po, mato Balenciaga, mato, na metiaka, mato package no aku diakra, chi auto festa bamnano ma batra, shame ho. Yeah, my shada head to the toe, Louis. Prada, yeah, no, my bro, got scars to cover. Put it on my mom and my father, yeah.
Yo, that's my brother Kenneth, bro. Nice to have you on the show.
Yeah,
Guys, let's take a breather. I'll be back in a bit.